Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to unbox this one by Wacom. This is Creative Pen Tablet, and this model is CTL-672. Okay. So now I'm going to unbox this and going to review what are the features they have and what is the advantage for using this. Okay. So let's start it. Okay. So it is written over here is the serial number. And it is medium size. So this tablet is medium size. Okay. So this come in this package one more packing over here. So this is company name over here. This is Wacom. So it is written over here, one by Wacom. This one is like medium size, and it have one pen or the stylus, and it's in black and red also. So we have, look, we are going to check what is we have, either black or red. Okay. So there are signs how we are going to plug in with the monitor, and how we are going to start this. Okay, so one is to plug in and then start, ready to use. It's very nice over here. So look at this packaging, the tablet. Okay, so we'll check this after some time. First we will look over the what is specification of other things or the other tools which I have. One is, so we have one stylus over here. It's Wacom. It is written over here Wacom. Okay, and we have two buttons over here to control this. And we have one pen tip. Okay, so we are placing over here all the things, all the tools which we are coming in the box. And what is this? Yes, we have the data cable which we are going to plug in with computer and with the tablet. Okay, and these rings and the pen tip. Okay, these are used for replacing the pen tip. So how we use this one is ring. If you feel like this pen tip is not working for you, so what you have to do, you have to make this ring. It is written over here that you have this pin and you have to plug in this, and then you have to grab up and then remove this, and then you have to replace it with this. And let's see what's basically the user manual over here. So because these are one by Wacom Creative Pen comes into two types. Okay, 472 and 672. Now I'm going to unbox 672. So CTL 472 have the minimum area, and active area is smaller than this, because this is, look, we have some book over here, so it is more than some textbooks. It is visible for you. Yeah, look, so it is greater than your textbook. So the active area is bigger than 472. So we are going to unbox this. It comes in red. So we have two colors over here, either black or either red. So when you connect this with your computer or the PC or the laptop, so this light blinks over there at that time. So it has, the dot represents the active area for this, and the it has no driver with it. This box have no driver for using this, but obviously you have to install some driver for using this. So in next video I'm going to explain you how you are going to enable this with your PC or the tablet or the laptop. Okay, and we have a Wacom official website, so we are going to connect with this and then install the driver over there and then using. Okay, then I'm going to explain how we can use over here. So that's it. We have all this stuff over here. Thank you. Hope you like this review.